Hey everyone, this is Natural Prepper coming at you with a new video. A few years ago I did a video on my Get Home bag that I carry in my car, and I just wanted to show you how that's changed through the years. Um, Everything I carry is carried in this bag right here. So I'll give you a quick breakdown of what we have. Up in here I have a cell phone charger and a headlamp. The cell phone charger does have solar capacity. Have a few tent pegs, some toilet paper and wet wipes, some off insect repellent wipes, another little pack of wet wipes. In here I have a wire saw, some gloves, insect repellent, sunscreen, and I believe an N95 mask, and also some silverware. Have a glow stick there. In here I have lots of lithium batteries, a few regular batteries, a second headlamp, more batteries, alkaline batteries there. I have a flashlight here, just a handheld flashlight. This is a Camillus knife sharpener. Here I have a Seychelles water filter that filters out viruses. I have a medical and trauma kit here. This one's specially built for my bug out bag, so it's more medical, less trauma. Here I have a meal kit. This is a 40-ounce stainless steel water bottle. There's a whole video about this kit out already. Down here I have Adventure medical kit, ultralight medical kit. I added some other over-the-counter pills and stuff like that to it. My plan is, if I ever have to leave my big bag, I would take this, and I would take the survival kit. Over here I have a Leatherman multi-tool, just a pill bottle with some nails, needle, thread, safety pins. Have a couple bandanas, a cross made out of paracord, some safety glasses. Down here now we have an extra pair of socks and underwear, which I always carry. In here I don't have an EpiPen, although it says it's an EpiPen. I have a Sawyer water filter in there. I have a rain poncho. In the orange bag I have coffee, tea, couple dry meals, like noodles and sauce kind of meals, hot meals. I have an emergency food ration bar. And one thing I always do to just kind of beef up my food preps for the car is I buy some crackers and cheese, and crackers and peanut butter, some dried fruit, some nuts. This isn't necessarily just for me. I might have another person or two with me. So I like to be prepared for at least a couple days with food and everything. I do carry, as far as tools, I carry a small saw, a trowel, a small hatchet, which works really well, a cold steel fin bear. I have a gun cleaning kit and an old camera case. And in the bag itself, I have a tarp, a thermal blanket, tube tent. Over here I have another thermal blanket, another flashlight, a couple pairs of gloves. Those are mainly work gloves. So that's what I carry. I also have a bag in my car, that red bag there, which I have a change of clothes, some toiletries, a towel, some extra trauma gear. I have another medical kit up in the front of the vehicle, where I can get to it while I'm driving, or if I'm stuck in the car or something. I also carry a knife and flashlight on me every day. So that's it. Just an idea of some things you might want to have in your go bag. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.